Hello. Today we're going to be talking about your English goal worksheet growth chart. And the first thing you'll want to do is find it in your LMS. So you'll go to your student portal and click into Canvas, which is our LMS. And it's either under the About This Course folder, under Course Documents, or you could find it in the module folder that it's doing in Module 16. So, but I have put it in both places so it's easy to find. And the first thing you want to do is pick whether you look at the PDF version or the Word version. The Word version will allow you to type right in. And but before and that's a blank one. But before we look at the blank one, I'm going to show you, actually, let's look at the blank one first. So we'll bring up the blank one and you will be able to type in and then save it to your computer. So you'll put, for your change in communication essay, you'll put your score, you'll put the praises that you got from the teacher, suggestions, and then your goal for the next test. You will need more room than this and you can expand on it. You can also do this as a PowerPoint, or you can do this as a bullet outline if this does not work for you. So let's go back to the goal worksheet chart example that I have put in here. And once you have your completed feedback and rubric for your change in communication entitlement essay, you will look up the English growth chart. And this tells you the purpose of it. It tells you that the process behind my thinking and the process of how you're going to complete it, and then the finished product. Again, you can use this as a PowerPoint. You do not have to do this as a chart. You could do it as a bullet point outline. So in the change of communication entitlement essay, you would put your score that you received, and then you would put your teacher's praises that she put in the feedback or in the scored rubric, the suggestions, and a goal that you want to work on. Now, I tend to write a lot of feedback. I'm not expecting you to copy and paste all that feedback. I want you to condense it and make it so that it makes sense to you of what you need to do, the areas of your strengths, the areas that you need improvement, and then goals that you have for the next time. And you'll do this, and then once you complete the Macbeth essay, you'll do it again. And by the end of the semester, you'll have 5 goals that you have written on how the second semester could be better. But you need to do this along the way, so when you get to the next essay, you know what you need to work on. So do this for the change in communication essay, because all of you have turned it in and you have completed it, and I have graded them all. So you have your feedback. Okay, take care. Have a good day.